again. Don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day.
Memorji minsuġa u tifkiriet. U ma dawn biss li baqalna mill-esperjenzi ta' missirietna li b'tant qrubija ssiltu mal-qawwa tal-barrani biex jipproteġu dan in-nazzjon. Iżda fl-aktar żmien ta' illa u taħbit Malta ma tħallitx weħidha u kienu l-forzi tal-alleati li flimkien ma' soldati Maltin tqabdu mal-qawwiet faxxisti. B'emozzjoni ta' apprezzament tal-karattru ġeneruż tal-poplu Malti, Herbert Tollefson jirrakkonta l-inkontri li għadda minnhom fi żmien meta huwa kien iservi bħala soldat tal-forzi tal-ajru Amerikani.
I remember the kindness of the people in wartime. Almost everybody that we knew had lost a member during the bombings. The Nazi was flying over in 43 mostly to bomb the B-24s that we were repairing here. We repaired over 50. But my mission was to come back. And I'm very proud to leave my uniform at the Maltese Memorial here.
Staqsejni ukoll x'waslu biex jirregala l-uniformi tiegħu fl-aktar jum importanti għaċ-ċittadini Amerikani. Preżentazzjoni li saret fil-preżenza tal-Ministru tal-Kultura Owen Bonnici.
The 4th of July is a great holiday, and I'm so proud of the Maltese to help us celebrate on the 4th. And it was a wonderful date to present my Army uniform.
Tkellimna wkoll ma' John Xwiereb Jr., ibn il-Pulizija magħruf John Xwiereb li fi żmien il-gwerra salva 20 ta' persuni minn taħt it-tifrik li ħallew il-bombi bl-aħnina tal-għadu.
My father did a lot of heroic work during the war. Bombs would fall and he would dig people out from underneath the rubble, you know. So he saved many lives and he was very famous in Sliema. As a matter of fact, there was a German that was shot in Sliema Harbor who ejected out of the plane in a parachute and fell in the water, and my father went out to get him and brought him back as a prisoner of war.
Hekk kif spjegalna s-Sur Xwiereb, missieru u Herb Tollefson iltaqgħu u saru ħbieb matul il-gwerra. U għalhekk huwa ħadin l-okkażjoni biex flimkien mal-membri tal-familja tiegħu jirregala wkoll sett ta' medalji li ngħata missieru fil-qadi ta' dmirijietu matul is-snin imdemmija tal-gwerra.